Now we're going to look at prime numbers. And prime numbers only have two factors, which are itself and 1. Let's go through some of the examples of prime numbers. Number 2, that can only be divided by 2 and 1, so that's a prime number, as is 3. 4 doesn't count as a prime number because that can be divided by 2. 5 can. If we keep going up, we get to 7, 11, 13, 17, and it goes on and on. Now, sometimes in the exam, you might be asked to find the prime factors of a number. And the easiest way to do this is using a factor tree. So let's look at that in the context of an exam question. Here's an example of a typical exam question you might get. We can ignore part A for now, as we haven't gone through that topic area. Part B we can go through, and they want you to express 72 as a product of its prime factors. So we've just looked at what prime numbers are. And the easiest way to do this is using something called a prime factor tree. So you start with 72 at the top of your tree, and you split it up into two numbers that times together to give you 72. And the easiest thing to do is usually split it in half. So that'd be 2 times 36. And because 2 is a prime number, you circle it, and that part of the tree stops and doesn't go any further. So now we carry on with 36. Again, we can halve it, and you get 2 times 18. 2 is a prime number, so you can circle that. 18 can be split into 2 times 9. Again, circle the 2. And then 9 can be split up, not in half, but as you can see, 9 is also equal to 3 times 3. So you can split that up into 3 and another 3. And now all of our ends of our trees are circled, so that means we've finished. And to write 72 as a product of all of these prime numbers, you simply just multiply them together. So you do 2 times 2 times 2 times by 3 times by 3. If you want to go one step further, you can combine these numbers into indices. So that would be 2 cubed multiplied by 3 squared. And that would be your final answer.